Hello, good morning viewers. Welcome to this new show on civil engineering. We are bringing you another important topic today, and it is called slump test. Now, why slump test is done? It indicates the workability of the concrete. Okay. Now first let me show you how the slump test is done at site. Okay, here we go. First you see the total process and then I will explain you step by step. You are able to follow the steps, right? Now actual slump is being measured. Measurement. So we have found out the slump. Now let us see right from beginning. First, have a look at the slump cone. This slump cone, the dimensions have been fixed standard. This is a cone, this is a mild steel sheet, CRCA sheet. This is a cone with two handles. The diameters of the cone are at the top it is 100 mm, at the base it is 200 mm. And the height of the cone, the vertical height of the cone is 300 mm. So always remember, what are the dimensions of a cone? 100 mm at the top, 200 mm at the base, and 300 mm is the height of cone. So there are three components of a cone. First is the base. This is a MS plate on which the basic cone is kept. It is clamped by two screws. If you move it clockwise or anti-clockwise, it will come out. Okay. Then secondly is the cone. First is the base of the cone, second is the cone, and third is the ramming rod. It is a square section rod, 20 mm by 20 mm. Normally it should be 25 mm by 25 mm. 1 inch square, and by which we are ramming or tamping the concrete. Now remember, the concrete is to be filled up in this cone in 4 layers. Each layer has to be tamped 25 times. Okay. So first layer, second layer, third layer and fourth layer, and then tamping with the tamping rod. And then what you do, you level it with the rod and then you move it anti-clockwise and just rotate, just pick it up with these handles. And when you pick it up, the concrete falls down, and then you measure by how much distance the concrete has fallen down. That distance is called the slump of concrete. Now have a look again. See, this is the ramming rod. See, it is the ramming rod or tamping rod by which he is filling up the first layer of concrete. Now he is filling the second layer. Again tamping. That should be, by standard, it should be rammed or tamped 25 times. You have to actually measure it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that. Now this is third layer. Again tamping. Now this person may not be from the laboratory. He must be a site person. Okay. And that is why the number of blows you are seeing is less than 25. This must be a very rich concrete. You can see the content of the cement. Look, he has filled up till the top. Again ramming, leveling. And now what will happen? See, this cement gravy is coming out. Yes. This is bleeding, actually. This is called bleeding of concrete. See, now that is also called latence. This is called latence. Moved anti-clockwise, lifted without jerk. This fall of concrete is called slump. Now it is going to be measured. There will be a stand. You have just seen. One stand will be erected in position and then measured with a rod. Now you will be wondering that what this has to do with the actual performance of the concrete, right? So you have got the test completed. Now remember one thing, if you want a pumpable concrete and dumpable concrete, these two terms will be there. Pumpable concrete is a concrete which can be pumped, and dumpable concrete is the concrete will be delivered at site and simply dumped at site, and from where this will be taken to the placement, the place of concreting through trolleys. So in case of a dumpable concrete, we need a concrete of lower slump. In case of a pumpable concrete, we need a concrete with a higher slump. Okay, so thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. See you.